It's 3 a.m., but today's the day we've been waiting for. Today, we poured Leroy's slab. All right, so they sent us a 43 meter. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna pull him straight in here, and then he's just gonna pump off the side, and that's going to allow us plenty of room to get the trucks in here where he's at right now. So that's the plan. If you noticed, I beat everybody here, even Leroy, even though he lives here. It is 3:54 a.m. Manny's supposed to be here at 4 a.m. so he's gonna be here shortly. The plan was obviously for him and I to beat Leroy here, so I already beat him here. We'll see if he can beat him. I'm sure Leroy's hearing a bunch of noise now because I'm hearing the pumps here, so Manny better get here quick. Here comes Manny, and still no Leroy, so I guess we win.
What time did you get here?
What time did I get here?
Yeah.
What does it matter?
Oh, well, I was asking because of the pump. Oh, yeah. Well, I don't know, did you stay the night or what?
No. And he lives here.
To his own pour?
I know.
Yeah. I know, I pulled up and I saw the pump. I was like, we're supposed to get here till 4:30, but alright.
And then you saw my headlights, you're like,
and then I saw the headlights,
it.
I was like, yeah. I was like,
I call Leroy.
how are you late to your own pour and you live here?
So you're making too much noise so early in the morning.
Well, we can shut it all down if you want. But you're gonna have to explain to your wife why the pour didn't get done.
Oh, she's coming too right now.
Uh-oh. Never mind. All right. There's Leroy. He's on the way, he says. He lives 2 houses down, son of a gun. Here comes Leroy. 420. Hope he's not trying to tell me something. We better drug test him.
Do I still look as good in dark as I do during the daylight?
You look better in the dark. The less we see of your face, the better you look. So good morning, Leroy.
Good morning. Good early morning. Yep. Ready to go.
We do this every day.
Whatever.
Me and Manny, we do this like on a regular basis.
Really?
We're not lucky like you to be
we were up at 3 yesterday.
To be a
What are you doing up at 3?
working. Getting stuff done, Leroy. That's how come by the time you wake up, we already did so much.
Yes, I know.
Every day. And we don't get to sleep at the job sites, Leroy.
Who sleeps at the job sites?
You, I have a video.
What time is the truck supposed to be here?
5 a.m.
5 a.m.
Finishers on the way?
Yeah.
Better see some finishers here pretty quick.
We will. If not, Manny, hey.
I'm starting to get nervous.
You nervous?
Well, yeah, because you schedule the finishers. I didn't schedule the finishers like I always do. Whenever I schedule everything, I'm confident. I am super confident because I already know who's going to be here. They've been called and, confirmed, everything.
Oh,
Now
you call it confirmed.
You weren't even here. It's your house.
I'm so tired still from yesterday.
Well, you get a bad sleep at the job site yesterday?
Yes, he kept waking me up, kept calling me every 5 minutes. Okay, well, let me go take a piss real quick. Don't put that in there, but let me take a piss. You rushed me over here.
Oh my God. Hey, we're gonna go get some coffee.
You're gonna go get some what?
Coffee, you want some?
From where? There's nothing open right here, close by.
From is your house open? Alright, so Leroy has to take water pills. That's why he always has to pee.
He was telling me, he's like, yeah, I just have, whenever I take it, I make sure I have to be there for a while. Like, if I know I'm going to be there 2 or 3 hours, I'll take my water pill then.
Yeah.
He's like, because if I start driving, I'm pulling over every 5 minutes.
Are you freaking out yet?
Yes, I am. I guess they're all the same. Say it's 5 minutes away. 5 minutes away, just like the other one, I guess. I guess they're all the same, huh?
Killing me, Leroy.
Look at it. I'm breaking out in a sweat. It's not even. What is it? What's the temperature out here right now? Here comes the other boss.
Here comes the real boss. Is that your wife coming?
I don't want to look, but is it? Where'd you go get coffee at? San Antonio?
I might as well have went home. Yeah, we went all the way to Applewhite.
To Applewhite?
Because he said there's a show right there at 1604. Well, freaking that thing's closed down.
The what?
The
thought it was Juan. I said, no, es good morning.
No, he's still not here.
Good morning.
Oh my
that's Eric.
gosh.
That's my dad.
How you doing?
That's manual. Everything's manual.
All right, Leroy. So Manny and I made a bet yesterday that if we got here before you, you had to buy tacos, and we did. So,
Okay,
taco time.
I'll buy your tacos, but I get to pick the tacos.
I don't care. You know we're waiting for you again.
Yeah, I'm buying. Okay.
Well, that's what it's like, Leroy. Have to be on the spotlight, man.
I don't like to be on the spotlight. Here.
Tell me.
Come on, let's go.
I'm going.
Was he asleep?
I was taking a power nap. Yeah, because I beat you to your concrete floor. That's why.
Oh, whatever. You weren't doing anything.
And we had to wake up early yesterday.
So there's a bump cutter. If my buddy Austin is watching, this is what your guys that pour your slab should have done, and you wouldn't have all those issues with dips in your concrete, man. You know, 30 minutes, it would have took care of it all. But I feel your pain, man. I feel your pain. What are you doing, Leroy?
Making a little bit of barbecue for the guys.
There you go. Leroy knows how it's done. Getting there. You give me a ribeye?
Sure did. You can pick whatever one you want.
Whichever ribeye I want.
Yeah, take your pick. Today is a great day for me. That's all I know. Finally got this pour done. Well, almost done.
Yeah. Good.
I'm gonna close this up. Check the temperature. Might not be working. There we go.
It's ready.
It's ready.
There you go.
That's right.
That looks pretty good.
Oh, it's gonna taste even better.
Okay, so why the hell don't you ever wear the Texas Barndominium shirts?
Because I'm working today.
Well, that's the whole point. You gotta wear them at all times. You know, they're probably gonna think we're cheap, and then we don't give you shirts. We give him really nice shirts, but he doesn't wear them because he doesn't want to get them dirty.
Where's yours?
Don't worry about me.
Well, when I get something like Manny does, then
Oh,
I'll throw.
don't even
No, I don't
start.
like those. Those are hot. You see the way I sweat at 5 o'clock this morning? I was sweating like a.
Yeah, that's because your wife is gonna be mad at you.
That's why she left to work. She said, "I'm not gonna watch this anymore. I can't watch y'all too." Can you watch this while I'm gone? Don't mess it up. Don't turn anything. Just make sure it doesn't burn.
I'll just keep an eye on the gauge.
You try it? Let it cool down.
That looks pretty good, Leroy.
Oh, it's gonna taste even better. Those are ready. Those are ready. Ready. And ready. Wanna try this?
Good?
Very good.
Can you suck in your gut real quick? I want to get the food in this shot. Suck it in, Leroy. you just back up.
It's a lot easier.
All right, so here's the finished product. So now I'm gonna get Leroy to put a sprinkler on this thing and water cure it. Hey, we should have brought the power washer, Manny.
Why?
You could have used it as a sprinkler.
No.
Did you see that? The power washer when he was fixing it.
No, what do you do? What happened to him?
He turned it into a sprinkler.
Oh, really?
Yep. Good story.
Is it stuck again, Leroy?
What?
Just move it back and forth. Yeah, we'll just do that every time. Here, let me fix it. If that works, you're gonna be so mad.
Oh, I'm gonna throw the sprinkler after you. This one.
Wait, you gotta give it some time.
How much?
Give it a few hours. What is that switch on this side? What is this? Did I get you?
Well, yes. No. Now you got it stuck.
Karma got me. All right, Leroy, we'll get your new sprinkler. Cheap bastard. Yeah, now you can fix that one.
All right. Honey.
Turn it off?
Yeah.
No, he wants you to cut off his neck. Simple task. We can't get it done. By we, I mean you.
I know.
All right, try that one. Oh, it's going, Leroy.
Keep going.
Oh,
It's gonna be raining.
it's stuck, Leroy. You better pray for rain. There it goes.
Oh, I see what's wrong with it. Look, come here. Just hold it right there, dear.
Here, hang on. It's gonna go. It's gonna go. It's going.
Look, it's going out of wet, right?
Yeah, it's going. It's going, Leroy. Did I just fix it?
No, because it's not going all the way.
Oh, that's because we need it more. There it goes. Oh yeah, it's coming out.
It seems like,
Go get kill me on camera. Go get your new sprinkler.
turn the camera off.
Go get your new sprinkler. It's time for a new one.
Thanks, appreciate it.
My camera's all wet. Look at me. I'm wet too.
How come you don't wear your new shirt I gave you? No, this is why. I don't give me a new sprinkler.
All right. See ya.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Bye, Leroy.
Bye, Eric. Oh, Jippy, we are Texas Barndominiums.